No.
What's up, coach? So, bago tayo mag-workout, karon sa tahanang we did some shooting workout with our coach. So, it was a good workout. Yabo took like almost an hour. Tapos shooting lang. So, condition kayo. What up, Danny?
What is this?
This is Danny.
Hi.
I'm doing a vlog.
Are you bro?
Yeah.
Hi.
This is our team manager, Danny.
Yeah.
Say hi, Danny.
Hi. I'm a Danny. Actually, I'm a mix manager.
No, he's our team manager. Karon ilis ako shower, kaon, tapos magbiyahe mi niya patog Wonju kay dito among dula for tomorrow. So, yep. This is Sniper.
Yeah, my cousin name is Sniper. One
Yeah.
shot, one kill. Yeah, waiting for you.
Second
I
trainer.
kill you.
Third trainer JB.
Yeah, this is JB.
Yeah.
This is my guy
Third
JB.
trainer
Yes, sir.
I'm last trainer, Mr. Han.
Yeah, Mr. Han. That's Mr. Han right there.
See you, man.
Yup. So mga itong mga trainer, actually napaisa pero napatong among senior trainer pero wala siya. So naman tag-shower, karon basig mag-kaon ta, then balik sa ako sa apartment, kajut, then balik na budre kay nami film meeting and biyahe namin patog Wonju. Ako naman magkaon karon kay magpatod ko sa among translator patog apartment, tas bike na ko dayon for our film meeting.
How's your workout?
It was good. It was like quality though, cause it felt like it didn't take an hour or two. Yeah. Saka sa tag apartment for kajut lang kuha tag gamit nga may bilhin ako ning dirty clothes, then bike na punta paadto facility.
She didn't want to go, did she?
Niggas, how you feeling after the shoot around today?
Feeling good, boss.
JB, say what's up.
What's up?
Is that on?
Oh, you know what I'm saying? It's the thickest in the KBL right here, by far. Where's Mac? Get back here, Mac.
Not delete none of that neither. Let the world know how you really is. Let the world know about this nigga.
Yeah, this is one of a kind right here. My vlog.
Hey, are you a vlog?
Yeah, my vlog. This is my guy Shin.
Yeah, my name is Shin.
AKA Shindog.
Nice to meet you.
Yes, sir.
Hey, Tim, many girlfriend.
No.
Yeah, many girlfriend.
I'm only one. I'm only one.
Korean.
No.
Day in the life, nah. Hey, that's crazy, bro.
Come on, man.
Bago na naman ang practice. Karon, mo ato na may hotel. Mag-check-in na may hotel diri sa Wonju. So, see you later. Bago lang minabot sa room, karon mag-dinner mi sa restaurant. Kaubalan ako mga foreign players. So, ako, duwa na ako ka-American teammate, among American coach. o among translator. So karon mag-showers ako, mag-prepare ako, then around in about mga 10-15 minutes naog na mi. Magbaktas na mi padto sa restaurant.
Say that.
Because the bags are small. Volleyball season is almost. Let's get some Powerades, some free Powerades, dude. Let's eat.
Karon gabaktas na mi padtog restaurant. Outback di among restaurant, so kauntag lami karon.
When you go play DB, this whole team.
Vlog.
Vlogger, bro.
I love it. Yeah, we're doing that for the table, right? So yeah, I'm good with this system, and I can just. Where'd you get that from?
That slide, that main attraction slide.
I bought
that
it.
You go down.
Where?
DJI. When I went to
Starfield Mall.
yeah.
What you get, G?
I got the garlic. And then the mixed berry spread. Oh my bad. I'm gonna get that kid.
김미파이브 두 개랑요.
네, 김미파이브 두 개요.
Well, who's getting quesadilla? Quesadilla 두 개랑요. He was the first pick in the drive, but he never was the first.
What's this?
I think that's your salad. 이거 스테이크에서 나오는 샐러드 맞죠?
이게 스테이크 세트 메뉴에 있는 이 스프를
Is this regular butter or is that the? It's not the sweet butter, is it?
No, man. Shut up. Remember you said Outback got the best steaks?
You just had the best steak that I've had.
He said,
I didn't say that. I said the best thing I've had is from Outback. Someone was back there. They knew how to handle their meat. You know what I'm saying? And it wasn't just an average job.
Knew how to handle their meat. So just like this the whole time, look straight ahead, not even paying attention to the game. You look across and nigga looking straight ahead. Oh my god.
Nick, you want one more drink?
Yes, please.
Same one?
Damn.
이거 똑같은 거 하나만 더 받을게요. 예.
They got lemonade.
올리브 스테이크는 하나 올려드릴까요?
여기 다 나온 거죠?
So nakabalik na mi from the restaurant. Busog kayo, lamig kay pagkaon. Grabe lang mga serving, so subs kayo. So karon time na magpahulay. Siguro maghimo ko gamayng work before ko matulog. Then after na get ready na for bedtime and prepare na for tomorrow's game. So mauna sa to for now, guys. Salamat sa pagtanaw. Till next time.